Hi friends, we have a Thar Roxx. This Thar Roxx is very special and very unique. We have done some specific modifications which everybody will not do. So that's the speciality of this car. Let me explain in this video what are the modification we have done in this car and how it is different from other Thar Roxx. Come, let's go into the video. Kindly watch the full video. Only then you can understand the minute details what we have done in this car. As you can see here, we have installed Jeep Tyres India 4x4 original off-road alloy wheels, which is 20 inches. We have removed the 19 inches original alloy wheels and tires. And this is road cruiser tires with the size is 285, 50 or 20. And this we have installed in this car. And one more thing, after installing all these things, when you drive the car in a rainy season, what will happen? These tires will come out of the car so that all the mud and the dust which are there in the road, it will come and stick into the car. So I've done one very special modification for this car. This is called extended special all proof mats. Extended special all proof mat. These are the mats which we have installed. It's made up of a special material and it is also painted with a special material so that whatever the condition in the road, when you drive the car, the dust and mud will not stick to the car. The car looks always good and neat and tidy. This is the special modification which we have done to this car, which a lot of people or lot of dealers or lot of modifiers, we don't take interest in doing this thing because it's a very time consuming thing. You can clearly see when the vehicle is moving how this extended special all proof mats are functioning for the vehicle. It acts like a barrier, like Himalayas for our country. So no dirt, dust will stick onto the car. This is the specialty of extended special all proof mats. And coming to the lights, I'll show you in this video. Come, we can go into the video deeply. I'll show you all the lights and modification what we've done in the car. We have installed Prad Thar Roxx ADAS compatible bumper in this vehicle. Also we have installed bumper lamps which is yellow in color. And this is the Hella Value Fit special focus LED lamps that we have installed. Switch on the lights please. And this is the Hella projector fog lamp we have installed. And these are the things which I've done in the front bumper. Also you can see in the bonnet we have installed ProMan 360-degree rotatable windscreen mounting bracket. This is the speciality of this bracket. You can see the light is rotating and in each bracket we can install two lamps. Can you switch on the lights please? This Hella Black Magic lamps. These are the lamps. Whatever the angle you need, you can focus like this. This is the speciality of this clamp. Okay. And I've installed the special police lamps which is very good. It acts like a spoiler also and the look is also very elegant after fixing these lamps. And these are the things which I've done in the front. And at the back, we have installed Bronco spoiler lights. That also I'll show. Come, let's go into the video. As you can see here, this is the Bronco type Thar Roxx spoiler which I've installed at the top of the vehicle. We have installed Land Rover Defender type box at the right side of the car. And at the left side, we have installed the ladder. That also I'll show you in this video. We have installed a ladder on the left side of the car, which is here. With proper clamp fitting and mountings it is done, and also the ladder can be locked using this key. This we also installed on the left side of the car. And for all the four doors we have installed ProMan Mark II door step. To climb on the car it is very easy. As you have seen in this video, we have done lot of things in this car, and one more unique thing what we have done is the extended all proof special mats which is not available anywhere. This is done special work in Vasavi Automobiles Hosur. If you have a Thar or Thar Roxx, you need modifications to be done like this, please visit Vasavi Automobiles Hosur. The name, address and everything is mentioned in this video. Kindly contact for us for best deals. Thank you very much.